Hey everybody, it's Hunter, Moore's Automotive. Today I have a quick tip about your vehicle's coolant system. That bright green or orange liquid, well, it could be any number of colors nowadays, but it's under your hood and it helps keep your engine from overheating in the summer and freezing during the winter. Over time, your coolant actually breaks down and loses its ability to protect your engine. It can actually start to corrode parts inside your radiator, your water pump, or even your heater coil. That's why we recommend flushing your coolant system every 30 to 50,000 miles, as your owner manual suggests. A coolant flush removes the old, dirty fluid and replaces it with clean, fresh fluid that can better handle the extreme temperatures and keep your engine running efficiently. It's a small bit of maintenance that can prevent some really expensive repairs down the road. So, if it's been a while since your last coolant flush, swing by Moore's Automotive. We'll check your coolant strength for free and make sure that your system's ready for whatever the road or the weather has to offer.